How do you get started repairing battery electric vehicles or BEVs and hybrid electric vehicles or HEVs? We're going to find out next. What is the BEV HEV safety rule number 1? Don't become a conductor. If you give electricity the opportunity to flow through your body, it will. It's important to delegate a space in your shop for BEV and HEV vehicle repair where you can limit access to only those authorized to work there. Wearing the proper PPE is critical in that it adds another level of protection in the event of an unseen or unknown danger, including accidentally touching something that is energized. EVs are not all the same. Take time to become familiar with the overall vehicle, from understanding the location of all of the HEV system parts to cables and how these elements are routed. Assess if any of these items are damaged. Don't risk your life on the presumption that it'll be okay, I don't see anything wrong. Ensure that you have proven high voltage system disablement and high voltage is isolated to the battery with no residual voltage in the isolated systems. Take the time to establish confidence with the accuracy of results and notifications. This includes being able to achieve a zero potential status / notification in new equipment after performing a disconnection procedure to switch off the HV system. Be advised that a regular shop multimeter should not be used. Using a dual pole voltmeter, you can only measure voltage, thus eliminating the potential for errors. Additionally, a milliohm meter should be used to measure the component bonding as well as an insulation tester to help ensure a safe environment. The inspection process starts when the customer drives the vehicle in. You should be aware of everything from the HV battery's state of health to its cooling system and HV systems. Not to mention ADAS and other technology found in today's vehicles. Installing a charging station is highly recommended. A wall mount station with a charging monitor is currently the best solution. It's important to always unplug the vehicle from a charger when somebody is working on the vehicle. The system is considered live when plugged in and charging, so working on a vehicle in this condition can be very dangerous. In our next video, we're going to talk about EV safety, particularly battery precautions and welding considerations. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.